Here it goes right here. All right, let's see this. Oh, teeth came out. What happened here? Some people, when their teeth are going bad, they choose to, usually to save money, get a denture. Dentures are around $5,000. Problem is, they stand by like a suction cup action, and they're not really fixed to your mouth. So when you bite into something the wrong way, they pop out. Another problem with dentures, they don't keep the bone over the years. The bone slowly goes away, and you'll get to the point where you can't even do dental implants. What we choose to do is a same-day new smile. We fix the teeth into the mouth with 4 dental implants. The other thing this could be is a snap-on smile. A lot of people out there are choosing to save money and get a few dental implants, and they snap a denture into it. The problem with this is when you bite the wrong way, it can still fall out. It would be much better to get teeth that you brush right in your mouth and you don't take out at night. They screw in and they're fixed, and they protect the bone over the years. What we choose to do is place implants into the bone and screw the teeth rigidly into that with a rock solid foundation, so you can eat whatever you want without fear of this happening to you.